How to log in to Bank of Cyprus account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Bank of Cyprus account online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.bankofcyprus.com. You'll be led to the official webpage of Bank of Cyprus. By default, the web page is in Greek language, but you can tap on the EL drop-down option in the dashboard and change the language to English. Now tap on the Login One Bank option you see there. You'll be taken to another tab. Here, enter your login credentials, that is, your user ID and your passcode. If you want the device to remember your login credentials for future, select Remember Me checkbox. Also, if you have forgotten your login credentials, then tap on the Forgot User ID or Passcode option there and recover your login credentials. Once done, tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be successfully logged in to Bank of Cyprus. Just in case if you do not have an account yet, you can tap on the Register to One Bank option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to create an account in Bank of Cyprus. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.